Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can delete all mods in Farming Simulator. So if you are having some problems with the modding folders or the files on your Farming Simulator, you simply want to go ahead and delete or reset your mod folder. Now to do this, it is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the documents of your computer right here. And simply once inside the documents, you will be able to find this folder called My Games. Now, if it's not on the folder right here, there is going to be a folder called Farming Simulator, so you can just simply head to that directly. But in my case, it's inside the My Games folder. From here, you will be able to locate the Farming Simulator game, so just click on it, and then we have the mods folder. So the next thing that you want to do is to just delete the mods folder, relaunch your Farming Simulator, and from there we have successfully deleted every mod onto our game. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.